him and regret the dark hour. He's gone and neglected his bewildered love. Oh, he told me to love me and promised to love and to cherish me over all others above. Oh, my heart is now wandering, oh, misery can tell. He left me no warning.